If you need to report a bug, share a crash issue, or send support logs to someone helping you troubleshoot, DaVinci Resolve has a built-in way to generate diagnostics logs in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create diagnostics log files in DaVinci Resolve, where to find them, and what to do after they're created. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick DaVinci Resolve guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure you are on the Edit page with your clips visible on the timeline. This helps confirm that Resolve is open normally and you're working inside the project you want to troubleshoot. Once you're ready, move your cursor to the top menu bar. Now click Help and then choose Create Diagnostics Log on Desktop. This is the important command that tells DaVinci Resolve to instantly generate the log files you need. In just a moment, Resolve will create a compressed file on your desktop containing the logs, system details, and crash-related information that can help identify what went wrong. After you click the command, minimize DaVinci Resolve and go to your desktop. On the desktop, look for the newly created .zip file. Depending on your system and your Resolve version, the file name may include diagnostics or log information, but it will usually be easy to spot because it was just created. This file is what you'll send to support or keep for troubleshooting. If you want to inspect the contents yourself, right-click the .zip file and choose Extract All. This is especially useful if someone asks you to open the logs or check what files are inside. Extracting the archive makes the files readable and accessible instead of leaving them compressed in one package. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find the log files and related system data that Resolve gathered for you. These files can be very helpful when diagnosing startup problems, performance issues, timeline errors, plugin conflicts, or unexpected crashes. The key thing to remember is that these logs are not created automatically in the background for every situation. They are typically generated after a crash or when you manually request them using this exact menu command. So if you ever need to contact support, post in a forum, or send details to a collaborator, this is the fastest and safest way to generate the information they need without digging through system folders manually. It only takes a moment and it gives you a complete diagnostics package straight from DaVinci Resolve. And that's it. You've now learned how to create diagnostics logs in DaVinci Resolve, find the zip file on your desktop, and extract it if needed. If this video helped, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, editing tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.